Professor Jones-Rooy, and welcome back to another video in the Data Science for Everyone series. The first thing I want to do is take a moment to talk about how we go about learning a language and how we go about immersing ourselves in that language and the importance of feeling uncomfortable and lost as we do it. So, suppose we wanted to learn Spanish. We might take a course and we might learn wonderful phrases like estoy estudiando español, with apologies to Senora Holtzlander and my other high school Spanish teachers for probably saying that wrong. Then I might go try to study abroad in Spain and or take a little trip. And there I will say, well, I'm going to immerse myself in the language and I've surely learned enough. Let's get out there and start ordering stuff and getting directions to the library and all that other good stuff. And if you're anything like me, when you get to that country, whatever language it is that you're learning, you freak out. There's dialects, there's slang, there's fast talking. Everyone's talking faster than your Spanish teacher did. You can't sit and read. There's no dictionary. But if you stay there long enough and you immerse yourself in the language, you will eventually get to a point where it starts to click. You learn faster than you thought was possible. You learn more than you thought you might learn in such a short time, and it really can pay off, and you can speak Spanish fully. That's the spirit with which we approach the next section in programming. Honestly, the best way to learn to program is to program. So yes, look at these lectures. Yes, practice alongside me, but really open up a notebook and start programming, write your own functions, do your own versions of what I'm about to teach you. And these foundations are functions, loops, and conditional statements.